Fudge got him going.
Classic. Oh, Fudge got him going.
269 classic cars. Come take a ride with us, we got it all. Hot rods to muscle cars. A ton of dream cruise class. I like that 66, no, but that C8 to go the fast. Chevelle on 4G auto rims. 101 whips, these ain't average. 269, 269 classic cars. 269, 269 classic cars.
What's happening? 269 classic car. Out here, see what they got out here today. Made it out here to this car show. They got some heat out here too. Let you guys check it out, man. You got a supercharger on this right here. On this Cutlass, man. Check this Cutlass out. Oh, go ahead, man. Do your thing. Do your thing. That's your car. That's your car. What you got in there?
355 supercharged, fuel injected.
355 supercharged. Hauling, you know what?
What's that? Yeah.
Damn. Step back so you guys can see it. Woo. What year is this?
85.
85? That bad boy. No, he hauling butt. We got switches on there, I'm sure he do. 1985. Oldsmobile. Switches?
This does not. My money does. This does not.
This one doesn't. Okay.
Yes, it's got QA1 coilovers.
All right. What year is your money?
88.
88.
G-body. That's what I like.
He's a G-body man. Nice. He's a G-body man. Let me let you guys check this one out right here. '57 Chevy. Look at the flakes in there. He's getting it set up right now. Look at the gold. Bad 57. Look at that door handles. Let you guys see the engraving in the wheels. Check out this Chevelle behind me. Okay. I hear it. I hear the bell. Hold on. I think it's fire. Got some mirrors up there. Yeah. Oh, I'm sorry.
You're all right. Go ahead. What do you want to get your
I didn't even see. No, you good. All right, guys. Let's go over here and check out this wagon over here. What we got right here? This Dodge. Look at that Dodge. Check out this wagon, baby. Walk you guys down here. See what's going on. Oh, hold on, man. I want to show you guys this box over here. Man, getting the carpet ready. What's up, fellas? I see you getting that carpet ready. Got something nice to put on there, huh? You getting the carpet ready. Pulling something on there red. What that say? Low for life. Low Rider Club. But hey, check out this box. Woo, this thing clean. That box, baby. Let's see what he's sitting on. See what he's working with. Who know what them is before I say it? Who know what those are? Is they fours? Is they eights? Is they sixes? You know what those is on that clean boy there. Yeah, he's sitting on 26s. Matter of fact, I'm gonna give y'all the exact size. In case somebody wanna sit like my man. He got 275, 25, 26. 275, 25, 26. What he's working with. Box clean with the grill. OG 85. Check out the Malibu. Sitting on them gold things. Yes, sir. With them Vogues. Them Vogues. Alright, let's move around, see what else out here. They're coming through with these low riders. Coming through with these whiz edges. What he got in the trunk? They got 1, 2, they got 4 batteries back there. On there. This is Al Camino. Ooh, that bad boy clean right there. Heavy Chevy. What, he got some chrome up there on the calipers? Let's get down up in here. Got some chrome on the calipers. I ain't seen them. Check out this. Ooh, Jesus. Big block. This is 84 El Camino. Alpha clean. Clean. Stagger, big lip in the back. Let y'all see that. Down low, let you see that lift in the back. Size we working with here. So we gotta get the rim size and see what he working with. Who gonna guess it right? 6s, 4s, 22s. What is they? Anybody know? Let's see. I can't even see on this side. Look like he done burnt it down. Look like it might be rubbing a little bit. Took off the side. Let me see what he got in the front. Okay, in the front he got 22s. So I'm assuming he got 22s in the rear. We walk on the other side and see. I'm sure he got 22s all the way around though. Let's check it out. Woo! I gotta see the inside. El Camino fire. And he got the roof. That's the kind of roof I want to put on Sunkiss too. I want to put this roof on Sunkiss. Sliding glass come back. You know, I'm doing that. I'm getting that. Yep. I'm getting that. Yep. 22s all the way around. You got them 22s all the way around. Oh, black widow, creepy spider. Uh-oh. Where y'all car at? Yeah, what y'all bring out here? Not the squad car. Oh, the shoes.
I've got a 2005 Honda CRV.
Do you? All right, ain't nothing wrong with that.
70,000 miles. Parked over there.
Over there? All right. You gonna win no prize, but okay. You gonna win. This nice right here. What y'all think of this El Camino? Very nice.
A lot of nice cars here.
Nice cars. All right. Hey.
A lot of work in them.
You guys subscribe to 269 Classic Cars so you can see yourself on my YouTube.
Perfect, man. Have a good day.
You too. All right. Hey, man, good luck with that Honda. One day you'll win something. What year you say it is again? What year is that car again?
05.
05. You'll win in 2035. It'll be a classic. Oh, yeah, that's fire. All right, man, I showed y'all enough of that. Shit, I like that, though. I showed y'all enough of the El Camino, but let's keep it moving. Check out these Impalas. Yes, sir, that's what they is. Look at this bad boy. Gotta clean this shit. That bad boy is super clean.
Yeah. This is my fishing chair.
SS Impala.
Got this little dog right here on the side, you know. I keep me stash me a bottle of water in there.
Hold up, I got a question for you.
I might have an
How you guys doing? Good, good. I ain't doing good as hell with this nice car, but I'm all right. Look at these guys coming in. See my guys.
Hey, are you doing full display, brother? See? I could. It's up to you. I'm just saying, you don't have to offload and carry all your stuff. You can offload and park over there next to the Toyota with the other trailer. So offload and park over here? Offload right in the middle. Okay. And then we're just going like that. We're just doing that way. Because we're that whole area
Oh, yeah, they're all right there. They traffic.
Oh, shit.
The whole group is right there. Oh, yeah?
Then you know what?
Probably
want to offload over there then, because it'll be packed. Yeah,
okay, so offload everybody.
Offload over there. I'll go over there and drive in.
Okay, all right.
Hey, nice seeing you, brother.
My bad, I'm sorry.
Oh, no, you good, man.
That's a nice looking trailer you got right there. You been holding out on me, man. Where you get that at?
Huh?
Where you get this
Oh,
one?
I've been at it for a minute.
Okay.
You know, I don't tell everybody.
Look at old Joe. I see Joe.
You probably behind the whole crew behind you.
Okay. I left y'all, man. Y'all talking about y'all leaving early. I got here before y'all.
I know.
I see you. Huh? I see you. I see you. My guys pulling on in. I beat them. Yeah, I beat y'all. Y'all telling me I don't be getting up. Yeah. I done beat y'all. So all my guys from K-Zoo.
Because that's how you need them all.
What you say? I ain't hear you.
How you beat us?
How I beat y'all? Yeah, I ain't gonna get up. Talking about how I beat them. Beast mode. Mm-hmm. Yeah, y'all late. We go in the Cadillac. Look at this Buick. Going over and check out this Buick. It's a nice Buick. Buick LeSabre. Hold on, man. Let me let you guys check out this one right behind me. This Impala. Check out this Impala, and the paint job look wet. Look like it just got painted an hour ago.
Oh, you're
Look at that. This car looked like it just got painted an hour ago.
Oh, it's clean, don't it?
Yeah.
Nice and wet.
Don't it look wet? It looked like it just got painted. Did it just get painted?
Last year.
Last year?
Yeah. Did you have somebody do it? You didn't trust yourself?
They did a hell of a job.
You should, man. You do good fucking work, man.
Oh, you paint?
It's been a while, but I can do it, yeah.
You do it like that? You just didn't trust yourself like he said. Better than that? Oh, go ahead, pop your shit. That's right. Yeah.
I just didn't have the time. I didn't have the time to do it.
Did you tell the painter that when he painted? Like, I could have did better than that.
He knows.
Oh, he knows. Okay. It looked good though, man. It looked real good.
I told him to try.
You told him you tried. You ain't doing him like that, did you?
Yeah, I did.
Like you tried. Shit, he looked like he succeeded to me, man. It looked good. Like I said, it looked like it just got painted. That thing's wet.
I'm picky, man.
You pick. See, you a painter. That's how painters are. Yeah. And he should have known better. He should have known better to let you paint it. By you being a painter, I'd have been like, no. Because he know you going to nitpick it. That 4-4 over there, that purple one, What's that? That Plymouth? That's got a nice paint job on it.
GTX over there.
Yeah, you checked it out?
I haven't checked it out yet.
Yeah, that got a nice paint job on it.
I was waiting for all the cars to get here. I didn't want to walk around too much.
Right.
Too big for that, man.
Hey, man, nice talking with you, man. You got a beautiful car.
Thanks, man.
And give my man a break, man. He tried. He tried. And he did a damn good job. In my eyes, not yours. Yeah, that look good. But that's how it is when you got these painters, somebody who paint. He gonna be picky. He a painter, so he gonna see things that the average person don't see. All right, let's go on. Walk down here. Oh, let me show you guys this GTX. I had this on the channel before. This thing's so clean. It's a hell of a paint job on this too. Hell of a paint job. Beautiful. All right, man. It's hot. Just wanted to show you a few of these cars. Get me something to eat, get something to drink, and sit down for a minute and relax. Until the next video shoot. 269 Classic Cars. We'll see you guys. Matter of fact, I'm gonna cut this one here right, and then I'm gonna come back and show you guys what else they got out here. They got a nice Volkswagen. I'm gonna go find a little truck, and they got some more things out here, man. I'm gonna show you. We're gonna go check out. Before I go, I'm gonna let you guys check out this Marauder right here. Long time. I'm gonna park it right there in the wrap. This guy right here just will not. Hey man, can you explain to my viewers why I can't get my truck to you? Uh-oh. All right, man, I just want to let you guys see them cars pulling in right there. Hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. Leave me a comment. Tell me what you think is so far on the cars I done showed you guys out here, man. Let me know what you guys think of this bad, fire, cold SS Al Camino, man. I think that thing cold, man. But yeah, comment, subscribe. If you don't want to subscribe, definitely hit the like button for your boy, man. I would appreciate it. 269 Classic Cars. You know it. We gone. Out.
269 Classic Cars. 269 Classic Cars.